we are going to make a paper beads. So, uh, ang unang step is i-roll natin ang paper into the stick. And roll and roll and roll, roll, roll. Roll and roll and roll, roll, roll. So, yan siya guys. Roll. So, yan. At lagyan ng colorless. Pwede tayong gumagamit ng rugby, shoes glue, at iba pa. Yan. Yan. That's his project, guys. Ayan. Good. Then, lagyan pa natin ng colorless para more kintab. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So, may tatlo na dito na ipapatuloy natin. Okay. So, next is gagawa naman siya. So, ang kalabasan niya guys is ganito siya guys. So, para siyang beads. Pero, ang ginagamit niya is paper. That's we call paper beads. So, nag-roll naman siya na roll and roll and roll, roll, roll. Roll and roll and roll, roll, roll. Roll lang guys. Ayun. Tapos, lagyan ng color less. Ayan. Para mas makitab, mas maganda. O, diba? Parang flag ceremony. Nasira. Sige na lang siya guys. Ganun na lang ang paggagawa guys. So, thank you for watching everyone. Selma Lex Vlog. Bye bye everyone.